Hey, welcome back. Another day, another vlog. Welcome, Friday, end of the week, working week, start of the weekend. Hopefully, a bit of de-stress weekend, I guess, for a lot. Strange times we're all living in at the moment. I'm trying a new speaker too, a bit of hands-free just to get away from that. Me mic hanging on the shirt, a little bit more intimate. Yeah, a bit weird, isn't it? It's starting to feel a bit weird here, I guess. Strange, you don't really know what to do. I guess that's the hardest part, is sitting around home. It's pretty darn boring. As a parent, sort of looking after a 2-year-old, it's pretty stock standard anyway, but at least generally you can sort of once a week or something, or once a fortnight at least, you can go out and do stuff, and now it looks like that almost shut down. So even that, the restrictions on some people at 14 days doesn't sound like a lot. Even at work, when we do 14 days straight, we're away from family and stuff, but you've got workmates and everyone to talk to and catch up with and stuff. So 14 days without talking or without seeing anyone physically sounds easy, but it's not that easy, and I think that could take its toll on a lot of people. But I'm trying to get stuff done. I'm going to go for a push bike ride. I need some exercise, and that's the other thing, exercise. Sitting around the house, staring at video or internet all day that can be really not healthy too. So I want to try and go and do some exercise before anything. I guess we try and keep some sort of exercise up that keeps the health side of me going as well. The video, look, had a really good run last night. Got all the video stuff done. All I've got left is the music, and I cannot make up my mind. I've got to pick 3 clips. I don't know which way I want to go. I'm going to relook at it, revisit it this afternoon when I get home, or tonight. I don't know where we go, like the acoustical side for the photos, or a little bit more upbeat with the photos, being as a sunrise. It's sort of just trying to find something that suits that sunrise. It's a new day, it's a new thing. It's trying to match that music to your video is sometimes can take the longest. I know I've spent untold hours looking up music, trying to find music to suit videos and what you're trying, that feeling you're trying to put across with the video too. If you want it upbeat, do you want it somber, do you want it just relaxed or whatever. So as all know, I use Epidemic. There's a link down below. They're fantastic, and there's just a crap ton of music to pick from, and a great ways to go through and isolate what you're after. But even then, sometimes just mentally just trying to get it to match, then you might find a song, but then where the photos change or your scene changes, but you still want music, it doesn't really correlate to the song, so then you sort of get stuck there. And that's where I was getting last night, and I ended up just going, well, I can't work this out now, I'm stuffed. But I was really good. I was just about ready to, if I had got that done, I could render it out. And then I just would have had a thumbnail to do today, but I'm going to try and do that tonight and sit down and look at the music. It's an important part of each video, especially with photography ones. I definitely need them to match. So it's an experience, and when you're looking at the photos, it's not just staring at a photo and some terrible music that doesn't suit the scene. So hopefully tonight I can sort that out. I was just I think it was about 1:30 in the morning, and I said, well, that's enough. I'm going to be here for another hour or so if I keep looking. So sometimes it's better to just pack up, go start refresh the next night. So that's where I'm at. So it's looking really good. The video on the video side looks fantastic, so I'm happy with that. I just don't want to finish it off, and then I can play around with get the thumbnail sorted once I've got that sorted. So that'll be very cool. Now, Trump, the US obviously ramped up everything. They've shut down their borders as well, like everyone else. Like Australia already done, Canada and other places. They are looking at anti-malaria vaccine that has been used since 1940s. It was apparently fairly successful. It's very successful with the SARS outbreak, which is a similar sort of family to this coronavirus we've got now. So this COVID-19 is not the same as SARS, but in the same, that coronavirus is all that same family. That's why when you say coronavirus, you're actually talking about a dozen or so different actual viruses. But so look, that's pretty positive. We are getting some positives. There's some Australian guys. There's some bits and pieces about some Australian researchers in Queensland, Melbourne. We've had a lot of good positive stuff coming out of Australia in regards to that. At the moment, it's just to actually just sit on, hold on tight, and stay healthy. And that seems to be the positive thing. That social distancing seems to be the big way forward. That's going to minimise and mitigate how many people get infected, because that's what's actually going to get the people, is the fact that if there's too many at once, then they can't help those people. So that's the important thing to understand. It's not you may get it and get you, but they can only treat so many people, and obviously that small percentage, and that's the unfortunate few, are really, really affected by this. So they need us to sort of help them out, I guess, which is fair enough. That's no dramas at all. But yeah, some good possible the anti-malaria, fingers crossed. I mean, I guess everyone on the planet's hoping for a quick fix. We're all hoping for someone to come out with some miracle thing, some old wives' tale of rub 2 bits of butter together on a blanket of witches' frog skins or something like that, and it'll work. Who knows? We're just going to let the experts do what they do best. They're untold amounts of them guys out there doing everything they can. But yeah, unfortunately, it looks like America's copping a fair bit of the heat as well now. They are in full action stations, and they're running out of supplies and stuff already. They're looking into that. So, yep, just listen to what they're telling you, and yeah, it's not a silly thing. Just be proactive and stay clean and safe. That's the thing. Stay clean. Keep those hands clean. On the Canon side, there's a rumour there, and it's not a high level rumour, so it's not super fan, but to me it sounds like a really nice lens. It's a new RF lens. There's a couple they're talking about. There's one of 70 to 135. That doesn't really interest me too much, but this one, the other one they're talking about, a 14 to 28 F2 L USM, so it's the super high spec glass. So they're talking about that one. That might be a possibility coming out in the next 12 months through Canon, through the current program they've got. That would be a super nice bit of kit. Ultra wide, be fantastic for some landscape stuff, I think. And yeah, looks really nice. I'd love to see that with that new landscape rumour 90 megapixel beast we talked about yesterday. That sounds pretty interesting too. So you pair that and a nice telephoto for some big panorama landscapes and stuff like that. There's going to be some Canon constantly. Canon are really on their game at the moment, and I guess just the only thing that's really holding them back is this COVID thing, and being able to supply it and get the stuff out so they can release it and tell everyone and start selling it to get it out there. Very interesting. So look 14 to 28. That would again then match up to their 28 to 70, and then their 70 to 200 too. Now those three would be all unstabilized, but then they do have already got the holy trinity of stabilized lenses. So they're 2.8. So just wow, Canon, wow. I would not doubt it. The way they're going, they are just rocking fire. Now the Olympics still going ahead at the moment. The Australian Olympic Committee is basically still looking at it. It's in July, they're looking at it. I know I haven't heard anything back from Virgin. I was online checking yesterday for flights for my Darwin trip. One of my daughter's niece gets married in May. I've got the Barrow Classic in May. So I'm basically going through Darwin over to Queensland for that. I still don't know what I've got to do, if I've got to change points. Basically, they're getting smashed. They've basically told everyone, only ring up if your flight's in the next 24 hours. Check online, so it's basically a matter of checking online at the moment. I guess Qantas has scaled back the international flights. Virgin hasn't really announced too much in that regards. They did say about the 22nd that they'll be looking at doing that. I think that might be happening a lot sooner. Domestically, I'm not sure what's happening. There doesn't seem to be too much clarity on I think they're doing that on probably as a daily or weekly basis and reassessing it as they hear it and get more info from the government. I guess that's what they're after. They can only go on what they know, and they obviously got their people talking to the government, and then they've got to sit down and risk assess it and work out a plan for their staff, their people. And that's fair enough. It can be frustrating. I understand it, completely understand with you. You're trying to, especially when you've got things 12 months out, like the Barrow Classic, we finally got some rain in the territory. Finally, you might have some fish go and catch, and it's my once a year trip. And look, it's disappointing and frustrating, and all I can do is just wait and see. And I guess that's where everyone else is, and we've just got to suck it up as Australians, as humans, and just go right. But there's more important things at the moment. Onwards and upwards. As long as we're safe and alive, that's a good thing. Make sure your family's okay. Make sure your friends. Good time to catch up with old mates. Give them a call. Chat about what you've been doing over the last 6 months. I know everyone gets busy. Now everyone's not going to be busy. It's a good time to catch up with the lads or the girls or whoever. All your friends and family. Just even people you haven't talked to in a few years. Why not give them a call? That's always a nice thing to do. That's about it. Another weekend. Well, I'll leave you all to it for the weekend. No one's going to be out partying, I know that. Nothing's allowed open. Look, have a nice restful weekend. Sometimes it's good to have good 72 hours of just switch off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, 3 good sleeps. Who knows what next week brings? No one knows. I didn't win the Powerball. No one rang me today about that, so that's what I'm really disappointed about. I've got a shit ton of bills like everyone else to pay. Hopefully someone that really needed it won it, and I will talk to you all on Monday. So whether you're working out how to make your gym at home, how to hide from your family at home, or what you're going to be watching on Netflix and binging for the next 72 hours. Stay safe, stay clean, hit those hands, tickety-boo, and I'll see you all again on Monday. Cheers. Stay safe.